Okay, so we got the truck and trailer up here. We're gonna dump this dirt and rock that we took down from below back here in this corner. This is where Ron parks his trailer and stuff, so trying to make a little bit bigger pad for him to park at. So we're gonna dump it right back in this corner here and spread it out, getting this nice expanded flat area is what we're trying to get here. That's the load we have in there right now, so not too bad. Perfect. Got the majority of it out. That'll work. Hey, good morning from Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here. Thanks for coming back and joining us. Today we are gonna get into some cleanup items that we need to. We got the rock laid down out here in front of the doors and got that leveled out. I need to put one more layer of rock out there. But the dirt that we took out of here, I took up the hill up behind Ron's trailer, and so we need to get that spread out. I think that's the first thing we're going to do. Once I get the mower deck taken off the tractor here, because I've been needing to take that off. It gets in the way when we're trying to move all this dirt and rock, and we're not going to need it for the rest of the winter, so we're going to get it off. So let me get the doors opened up and we'll get this mower dropped, and we'll get our day started here. Trying to walk off some of that food that we eat during the holidays. This all turned out real nice out here. Turned out real good. Well, I need to put another layer of rock on there. We got a little bit left over there. We'll get it tamped down, and then we should be in good shape. But let's work on getting this mower deck off of here. That's what we need to do now. Alright, this is what we're trying to fill in here. So all this dirt here we brought up here, dirt and rock, we're going to fill in up here. So we'll see how the tractor does. I'm going to have to get the excavator up here. There's a lot of material that needs to go down there. We'll see. Probably safer and easier. A little bigger piece of equipment. So let me go work on getting my trailer empty. And we'll see about getting the excavator up here, finishing this up. And now I need to take the excavator down the hill to get that tree that fell the other day to get it cut up. So hang tight, let's get it set up for that. These blades. I think I put these blades on there at the beginning of last season. Yeah, needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So I'll get the blower out here, we'll get this blowed off. Cleaned up a bit. Probably need to grease this up too before we put it up. We'll probably do that too. Alright, let's go put this in the barn. Truck started. We're gonna go get this dirt unloaded. I don't think I need it above, so we're just gonna put it in a pile that I've got started back here just to have, and that way the trailer can be emptied. So we'll let the truck warm up a little bit, then we'll take this back and get it unloaded. See what happens. That's what I was afraid of. So let me see if I can get an extension cord out here and get this charged, and we'll get it up the rest of the way. Well, that's all the juice it's got. We'll let it charge for a while, and we'll get this out of here today. got this spread out. All right, we've been charging for a couple hours.